Felix Auger-Aliassime gestured to the rowdy crowd after coming back from the brink to beat Michael Weimer in Paris. Felix Auger-Aliassime shushed the Paris Masters crowd on Wednesday after getting wound up by members of the crowd who were pulling for his opponent. The Canadian was able to keep his match-winning streak alive as he came from a set in a breakdown to defeat Michael Weimer 6-7, 8, 6-4, 7, 6, 8, in 3 hours and 30 minutes. Auger-Aliassime extended his winning streak to 14 matches as he came back from the brink in his opening match at the Paris Masters. The world number 8 is looking to win his 4th title in as many weeks but came close to defeat as he faced break points at a set and 1-4 down in the second. He then stormed back to claim victory in dramatic fashion on the small court 1 in Paris-Bercy, overcoming some heckling from the crowd as some of Weimer's fans loudly cheered his errors and double faults. After clinching the win in a final set tiebreak, Auger-Aliassime turned to the crowd and put his finger to his lips, shushing them. The 22-year-old then gestured as though he was dismissing them and waving them off, as the World No. 74's supporters appeared to shake their fists at him. After the match, Auger-Aliassime confessed he was tired following a quick turnaround from his 4th title win in Basel on Sunday. The Canadian became the 3rd player since 2010 to win 3 titles in the space of 3 weeks, joining Andy Murray and Casper Ruud. And he is now bidding to become the first man in 41 years to win 4 in 4 weeks. I was very worn out, not feeling great physically, but somehow I found a second wind, Auger-Aliassime said after his 3-set comeback. It was pretty epic, 3 hours 30, definitely a win to remember. The 4-time title winner will now face the winner of a match between Taylor Fritz and Gilles Simon, who is playing the final match of his career on home soil before retiring. If the Frenchman wins, Auger-Aliassime will find himself playing against an even more brutal crowd. Andy Murray served for a straight sets victory over Simon in the first round on Monday and lost 4 games in a row as the former world number 6 forced a decider and ultimately won 4-6, 7-5, 6-3 with the loud French fans pushing him on and cheering his opponent's mistakes.